Hey YouTube, another video for you, and today's video is not so much structures or towers, but I think any time that you notice things that are too symmetrical, show too many straight lines, things just don't seem natural. It's worth looking into it and analysing it and seeing what you think. So on this particular video, you will see particular lines that are very straight, very they show edges. They don't seem natural at all. You know, I'm pointing out each individual line. There's certain things that are just do not seem natural at all. So a lot of straight lines, a lot of squares, rectangles, circles that are perfectly centralized in square shapes and rectangle shapes, and this whole area of the moon here is absolutely covered in detail. Now, I'm not saying every single one of these is something something that shouldn't be there, something that is not natural, but there is so much of it that, you know, you could really look into each individual thing and try and determine, you know, through research, through other videos, through more footage, exactly what we're dealing with. I mean, that one there that I just did with the 3 lines, parallel lines, when you look at that closely, that really is quite bizarre. You know, they look they look symmetrical, and they're situated one after the other. Like I say, there's just line after line after line, and it makes you wonder how these straight edges, these huge blocks, were created that were almost perfect in shape, you know. So like I say, I'm not saying that every single one of these is a building, a structure, or a tower, but it just seems odd when you look at other areas of the moon and its surface, that, you know, there's a lot of natural, obviously, craters and things, and these almost look like they were put there, you know, to try and fit in and blend in with the rest of the, you know, natural surroundings. But to me, they look too obvious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that, you know, you get something from it. Lots of footage coming. But there is so much going on. I think there's so much that we are stopped from knowing about the moon. And I believe that, you know, there's a lot going on. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and cheers, YouTube.